Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your YouTube channel name. Make sure you watch the video till end so you can understand each and every step. Let's start the process. Open up your YouTube. Go to your channel. Tap on your channel. A screen like this will open. Now to edit your channel name, you have to tap on this pencil icon. Tap on name. Edit the channel name. Tap on save to save this. Now tap on handle to change this. Here, write a handle matching with your channel name. Tap on save. In this way, you can change your YouTube name and handle easily. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button.